If you wake up every morning feeling the pressure of payments, bills, interest charges, and a debt balance that never seems to move, then I want you to stay with me. This video may change the way you see money forever. Financial literacy is not just information. It is the difference between being controlled by money and finally taking control of it. And when you subscribe to this channel, you are not just supporting a creator. You are supporting your own financial transformation. Every video here teaches you how to avoid traps, make smarter decisions, and build real freedom for yourself and your family. So take 1 second right now and subscribe, because this might be the most valuable financial lesson you hear all month. Let me begin with a simple but painful question. Have you ever made a payment on your debt, worked hard all month, sacrificed something you love, and when you finally check your loan balance, it barely moves? You pay, you try, you hope things will improve, but nothing changes, and slowly, it begins to feel personal. You start to believe something is wrong with you. You start thinking you are bad with money. You start wondering why you feel stuck while everyone else seems to move forward. But what if I told you the problem is not you? What if I told you that the system works exactly this way on purpose? Here's the truth that most people never learn. Interest is not just a small percentage added to your loan. Interest is a psychological trap designed to keep you paying for as long as possible, even when you believe you are making progress. Most people think debt is hard because they lack discipline. But debt is hard because the system is designed to be profitable for banks, not comfortable for you. And today, I will show you the truth behind how interest actually works, why it keeps you stuck, and how you can finally break free from it. So stay with me because the next few minutes may open your eyes to something no bank or loan officer will ever bother telling you. Most people believe interest is just a fee. But interest is not simply a fee. Interest is the price you pay for borrowing time. When you borrow money, you receive time today. The bank receives more money tomorrow. That extra amount is their profit. But here is the part nobody teaches you. Banks make more money when your debt lasts longer. So instead of designing loans that help you clear your principal quickly, they design loans that make you pay interest first and principal later. This structure is called amortization, and it is the foundation of almost every loan trap in the world. During the first few years of a typical loan, around 70 to 90% of your payment goes only to interest. Only a tiny portion touches your actual debt, so you feel like you are doing your best, but the system is quietly collecting profit before allowing you to reduce the balance. And suddenly your entire financial life begins to feel like quicksand. No matter how hard you try, you sink deeper before you begin to rise. Interest comes with 3 traps that almost everyone falls into. Trap number 1, the slow decline trick. Your balance drops extremely slowly. At first, it barely moves. This creates an illusion that you are making progress, when in reality, you are only paying the bank's profit. Trap number 2, the minimum payment illusion. Banks offer a minimum payment. It sounds helpful, but it is the biggest trap in modern finance. When you pay the minimum, you are not paying off your debt. You are simply renting your debt, month after month, year after year, sometimes for decades. This is why credit card debt becomes so heavy. You can pay for years and still owe almost the same amount. Trap number 3, interest on interest. This is where the nightmare truly begins. If you pay late or pay less than required, interest starts building on top of previous interest. At this point, the debt stops being mathematical. It becomes emotional. You begin to feel hopeless, overwhelmed, and suffocated. Interest becomes a snowball that grows even when you stop pushing. And the worst part? Most people have no idea this is happening to them. Let us talk about the emotional side of interest, because financial stress is not only about numbers. Interest drains your money, but it also drains your confidence. It drains your peace. It drains your ability to think clearly. When debt becomes heavy, bills become fear, payments become pressure. Your salary disappears before you can use it. And you begin to feel trapped in a system that you never fully understood. This emotional weight is not your fault. It is part of how interest keeps people stuck. A stressed person makes quicker decisions. A stressed person accepts unfair terms. And a stressed person avoids checking their balances because it hurts. Interest does not only trap your money, it traps your mindset. But once you understand how this system works, something powerful happens. You stop being afraid. You stop blaming yourself. You start taking control. Now let me show you how people actually escape interest. These are not theories. These are proven strategies used by financially successful people worldwide. Strategy 1. Always pay more than the minimum. Every extra amount you pay goes directly to the principal. And once the principal drops, future interest becomes smaller. Suddenly, your debt begins to fall faster than ever before. Even a small additional payment each month makes a huge long-term difference. Strategy 2. Attack the highest interest first, also known as the avalanche method. List your debts. Find the one with the highest interest rate. Focus all your extra money on that one first. This method saves the most money and frees you the fastest. Strategy 3. Know your amortization schedule. Most people have no idea how much of their payment goes to interest. But when you look at your amortization schedule, you will be shocked. You will see how much you are actually paying in interest versus principal. And once you see it with your own eyes, you gain something extremely powerful: awareness. Awareness leads to better decisions. Better decisions lead to freedom. Financial stress is not a sign of weakness. It is not proof that you failed. It is not a punishment for your past choices. It is simply the result of a system built to keep you paying for as long as possible. But today, you took the first step. You learned how interest truly works, and this knowledge gives you power. Imagine waking up without fear of bills. Imagine having extra money every month. Imagine using your income to build your future instead of paying for your past. This life is possible, and it starts with knowledge. It starts with financial literacy. And it starts with you taking action today. So if this video opened your eyes, then please take a moment to like this video, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and share this with someone who deserves financial freedom. You never know who you might help. Thank you for watching. Your financial transformation starts now.